Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. It's a shocker, I know, I went shopping. What did you expect me to do? I was home from a week off of Christmas when they're having sales. Naturally, I went shopping. It was kind of hard for me to find some items, but I'll share with you what I purchased. First up is this little sleeveless turtleneck sweater that I purchased from Amazon. It is like 27% rayon, 23% nylon, and then 50% viscose, and that's approximate. There were some decimal points in there. And I got a size small because that's the smallest size that they had, and I'm glad I did not go down to an extra small because it is meant to be a form-fitting sweater to be layering on, and I'm pretty happy with this. I think I paid around $22 for it. I will give you my links below, but I will be ordering this sweater in other colors because I actually love the material. It's nice and soft. You guys know I like wearing things like this so I can layer on top. So this is perfect. It's in this like beigey type of color, okay? And yes, it is tight, but like I said, it's meant to be with things worn over it. With it, I paired this skirt that I recently got from stitchfix. And if you haven't noticed, they've been having a huge sale, and this was for $20 on clearance, so I snagged it. I think it's adorable. It has like this leaf pattern. It's like a black background. It's by Skyzer Blue, and the leaves are actually a very light purple and brown in here. And of course, it has the cute little flounce. And while I did not check the label, I'm almost 1,000% positive it's 100% polyester. It is my usual extra small. And I paired it with these boots. I'm thinking of wearing my brown moto with it. I don't know, I kind of put it on, and there is brown in the skirt, but it's so muted. I'm thinking maybe a black moto might be better. And yeah, I think this would make a cute little outfit. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with these two purchases, and they were pretty cheap. Okay, give me a minute, and I'll try on the next item I got. Next up, I got this exciting score. So this sweater is from Nordstrom. It's by the name brand Reformation, which is a sustainable name brand. If you're familiar with them, they are expensive. This sweater is 90% cashmere, 90% recycled cashmere, 10% real cashmere. All right, not that the recycled isn't real. Super soft, nice, thick sweater. Has a collar on it and the V-neck. It has a very big banded bottom here, which I like because it gives me some waist definition. I believe it's supposed to be meant to be cropped, but on me, it's not really that cropped, but I'm okay with that. Love this sweater, and it's beautiful, this caramel or toffee type of color. So I do have a beige cashmere sweater, but this is darker. I did do the comparison. I paired it with a pair of Vigos jeans, and with it I have, the Vigos jeans are mine, but with it I have my new shoes, which I'll show you in just a minute. These are by Franko Sarto. They're a plaid and brown, and I think it goes great. I love this outfit. This is so me, so work from home, casual but yet put together. And I'll show you the shoes. I really like these. These were on sale also at Nordstrom. Oh, the sweater I got for $74, and the shoes, I think they were 80 something. All right, and again, they're a plaid, and obviously they're material, not leather. But yeah, I do like them, and I think it goes great with the sweater. Alrighty, give me a minute, and I'll pop on the next piece. Next up is this sweater by One State, also purchased from Nordstrom. It was on sale for, I think, $41.40. If this sweater looks a little familiar to you, I had the same sweater in a brownish, reddish kind of color. Like a clay kind of color, and I love it, but it was very large. So this one I actually sized down. This is a double extra small, and it is an oversized sweater, and I think that's why it was probably so much on sale, is because the sizes were wonky on this. This is a very large sweater, so I have to give it some front tuck to give it a little bit of shape. I like this sweater. This is not natural fibers, but it is fairly breathable. Let me see if I can find out what the heck this is made out of. This is 60% cotton, so natural fiber, 20% viscose, which I think is a quasi-natural fiber, and 20% modal, which I also think is a good thing. So I really like the material that the sweater is made out of. It will be breathable for the spring. I do not own a pink sweater. I'm just not crazy about the fit, but I like it enough, and it was cheap enough that I am gonna keep it. I'm very happy, and I'm gonna cross pink sweater off my list. I kept on the same jeans, and I just paired it with my little slide-on mules. I think this is a great spring transition outfit. Okay, give me a minute. I have one more item to share with you. Last up, I have a Lululemon dry fit tee. There's a story about this tee. I actually had to go to the mall really to go to an eye doctor appointment, and I ran into Lululemon after my appointment just to pick through to see what they have. So I was actually looking for things for my cruise to wear. I'm not a huge athletic person wearer, but I do go to the gym on a daily basis, and I always need tops to wear. Specifically now, because it's cold, I need long sleeve tops. I get too cold in the short sleeve. So I saw this, really like the color. It's like this copper kind of penny color. Matter of fact, I think they call it penny. Brought it up to the line. They didn't tell me it was on sale, so I'm like, woohoo! So it was $50. What I didn't know, it was final clearance. Brought it home, tried it on, couldn't get it over my head, and it was a size small, all right? Could not get this item over my head in a size small. I go to return it back, and they tell me it's not refundable, that I can only get a store credit or exchange it. So I said, well, I'm gonna have to go up 2 sizes. And they said, well, we have a size large online. This is a size large. Look how it fits me. It fits me like an extra small would. So I'm happy with it. I like it, but I'm just letting you know, if you are interested in this item, size up at least 2 sizes. This is really 3 sizes up from what I normally wear. So the material is great. It's mostly nylon, and I think 30% spandex, but I can't even tell you. It is feeling like silk. I mean, this is like a great material. And yeah, this is what I wear now during the winter at the gym, and I just threw it on with my glider leggings that I got from stitchfix Freestyle a while ago. And Glider's a pretty good name brand. I like these leggings. I like Lululemon more, but I had credit and whatnot from Stitch Fix, and they were a little bit cheaper there. So for the money, I like the Glider leggings. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with my purchases. So 2 sweaters, a sleeveless sweater from Amazon, a pair of shoes, and this. Okay, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care. Till next time.